Hello everyone, John Price here, Director of Vehicle Design for E.C.D Automotive Design in Kissimmee, Florida. And today we're going to give you an overview of the exciting process of taking delivery of your E.C.D custom vehicle. Now, to begin with, we have a very organic process in place from beginning to end. We're pretty much holding our clients' hands. We're always there to answer their questions and making sure, of course, that they have a clear idea as to when things are taking place. In the last portion of our build process, our clients will be able to see live how their vehicle is being completed. Of course, it's a lengthier process than that, but let's say the last probably 30 to 45 days, they have a live camera where they can go in and see which stages of the assembly process the vehicle is going to be in. And this is something that we'll, of course, proactively participate and tell them about so that they can find a link and view where in which line and in which number their vehicle is coming along until it's finally assembled. And again, we get people that call us all the time and say, wow, so my truck right now is number 3 on the line. Can't wait to see it all completed. And that's a point where we actually encourage our clients to, if they get the chance to, come down to our facility and take a good look at their final vision. So number one is to make sure that there's any tweaks or anything they would like to do slightly different that we can correct at that point before they take delivery of the car. And secondly, of course, just to showing how we build the car and meet the people that put it together, which is also part of the excitement, of course, of being involved with ECD. Now, how we work with clients to build our dream defenders it's very simple. Open communication, number one. Provide them with all the tools they need, whether it's information about the vehicles, having, of course, or 500 plus vehicle showcase online that they can use as reference from previous projects that we build, and 100 plus page catalog that we provide them with as well, so that they can see every detail available to them. We do like to be very much involved with our clients, providing material samples, 3D mock-ups of their design elements. And of course, once we get the final blessing, we move on into getting all the parts and materials that we need to complete the truck. Now, after build completion, we have a very rigorous quality control process in which one of our master technicians goes in depth through every aspect of the build to make sure it's absolutely flawless by the time our client gets it. Now, right after quality control is being completed, we encourage our clients to either come in personally or do a virtual walk-around presentation of their car. So that way we can go through all the features that it comes with, whether it's a standard or upgraded option that they've decided to add into the truck, and go through every bit, whether it's connected in their phone into CarPlay, Bluetooth, or set up their home link for their garage door opener, or how to work the air suspension with remote control that we offer as well, and get them familiar with things that perhaps were foreign to them, and make sure that they're comfortable with the car, of course, from day one. Whether it's coming in to test drive your own car or one of the finished trucks that we may have in here, we highly encourage our clients to come down and check it out in person. Of course, this will help not only solidify their selections and the quality of the ride, of course, that they're expecting, but also if there's anything that would like to be adjusted, and we can certainly take care of that at that point. Our goal is to make our design and build process extremely fluid and fun for our clients. So highly encourage everyone to come down and participate in the process, whether it's at the beginning, middle, or end of it. But at least you get a chance to experience, number one, how we're building our trucks, number two, how they drive and feel, and three, answer any questions that you may have, of course, as you take delivery of your beautiful custom E.C.D truck.